What's up, guys? Kevin W420 back at you with another CBD hemp flower review. Today I got something from Secret Nature Artisan CBD hemp flower Cherry Cough. Now I did say Mystic Roots was my favorite. They still are my favorite. I have multiple favorites, and this is another one, an easily favorite, because this company, as you can see, they're doing it in a sealed can type thing. Now I've been smoking this for a couple days now, and this shit is really dank, like for real, bruh. Go out and get some. Right now, this is the only strain available, unfortunately, right now. But in my opinion, I haven't tried the others. But this right here is easily a favorite if you're a indica fan. You know, CBD is usually sativa L. And this is an indica variant. And it's 100% CBD hemp flower. They say hybrid. It's more of an indica to me, though. It's Rogue Valley, organically grown, pesticide free. Well, I don't know what just happened. It's 21.71% CBD. Probably the highest CBD flower I ever tried yet. I've tried Jazzy from CBD Hemp Direct, and that was around 20, almost 21. That was good. That was probably my favorite by them, but this is a different video. So let me show y'all. I know I've been smoking it. Don't look like it's much left, but as you can see, this is fucking fire. This is top shelf CBD flower. You know, there really isn't that many leaves. This bud had the most leaves of all of it. But this shit right here, top shelf. Go out and buy right now. 100% totally recommended. Well, anyway,